Hi, this is Ahmed again. Today I will gonna show you how to order from the web store. You're living in, example, at the moment in Dubai and Philippines, you have a cash on delivery. So if you're a member, you can just put your member ID and the password, and after, of course, clicking your look in your store, right? Then you can log in. Once you log in here, right, you can go to the my store. You choose the products that you need. For example, I will order now place an order for grapeseed. You can see it right here as a member, and here is the member's price. Okay. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna choose grapeseed price and also this one toothpaste. I will order toothpaste additional. Okay. I will order shampoo. Alright. I will order as well grapes. Members price. Okay. 55.13. Let's cross check. So this is if you are buying for yourself, example, and you want to deliver this one in your home, because there is a delivery charge for that. So we will check now how much the cost. It depends on the places as well. But a raffle, let's see. I heard that there is a 25 dirhams. Let's check. No problem. If it's right. Okay, yeah, members 55.5. Okay, a slight difference. Distributor, this is distributor price. Okay, SRP 78.75. Alright, so we are in right track. So now I want to check out. How to check out? My card. Alright, cross check, guys. Let's see. We have fit right. Another one, grapeseed. Alright, let's see. And then let's see, shampoo, conditioner, liquids, and toothpaste. So this is right. Okay, how many grams? Very nice. Shows here 923, and the total price is in current country is UAE, right? UAE right here. Oh, it's in dollar. Let's see. So showing in dirham, right? Yeah. Anyways, it's 44.66. So take this if the order is correct. Pickup location. Uh-huh. Old office. Rag bin Sultan. Al Ain office. Al Ghanim building. Majaz Sharjah. And there is Najda corner. And then Abu Dhabi. Hmm. Interesting. Alright. Now what I will do, I want this one reshipped. Pick this if the order is pick. Ah, okay, alright. Alright, I don't want the pickup. I want them to deliver. Sorry guys, this is first time, so bear with me. Alright. So now please choose your mode of payment. Online payments we have a bank deposit and we have cash on delivery. Very nice, interesting. Alright, Members address. What is there in my list? Okay, check that one. Address number 21B, number 40, and number. Okay, that's it. And now the ones is showing here. So total will be 184 dirhams. Right. Anyways, uh, actually I wanted to pay online, but let's try the cash on delivery because we wanted to learn the cash on delivery system. Hey, using our cash on delivery service, full payment is done directly to the courier, right? Courier, yeah. No partial down payments required. Amount 183. Why? How much here? 184. Okay, 184. Yeah. One. All right. Proceed. Let's check. Shipping fee. Ah, 20 dirham. Okay, I was told like 25 dirham. Maybe some other areas 25. All right. Yes, I don't want to take a lot of time here. Okay, zip code. Let's check. Name. Mm, mm, Okay, where is my review person? Hmm, hmm, I saved the address somewhere. Oh, alright, okay. Mechanic. Made a use mechanic. But exactly, I was not sure. I think the last five digits. Anyways, let's put this one. And this is the one. Okay, bear with me. Let's see. Let's proceed, guys. So, total including the shipping, 20 dirhams. Uh, Transaction is successful, and this is the code. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Alright, I will update the now today's, let's say, 4:51 a.m. in the morning. It's Ramadan. I'm not sure how fast they will work because we expect a delay. My mother's traveling to Umrah in Saudi, like for a playground after 3 days, and she said that she needed urgent 2 days. I My notice is my understanding 2 days. If it's delivery, let's follow up. Let's try. And I put my mobile number just in case, for the sake of, I'll keep it maybe on just for sake of need to see if this will get delivered. And I will also update all the information there in the description in case you really need. Okay. An example, like if they have a card system, I will ask them this question. They have a machine card to pay by card once they deliver, but it says cash on delivery. So let me see. Maybe they have a machine. If they don't have, then they don't have. So I will update it. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understood this one. And this is only for member purpose, yeah. But if if you will deliver it for somebody, if somebody else want to buy it from your store, they will get SRP price online from your web store link. So make sure uh, you don't share your user and password because this is for you, and for members it's different. You will just go and buy. All right, hope you enjoyed. And delivery and description, I will update it. If you have any comments for further, like further videos, you want any questions, please feel free to ask me, and maybe I can create a video special for that. But at the moment, I have updated this one, and any information are updated in the description if there is anything. Thank you for watching.